All right, since it's freezing cold outside, I got the brilliant idea of seeing if I could drive my hovercraft in the basement for my last video's testing. Check out this extended footage to see how I tried to figure out driving in a small space, including a slight mishap at the end. So yeah, running into a wall is not helpful for the craft's condition. I was actually starting to figure out driving and having quite a bit of fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you all next time.